Told you I was wearing my shades. What's going on? Dave Next is New England. We are here and crowded, lots of people, lots of freaking cars. I'm just gonna swing around. Look at this. This is nuts. Season opener, Meet New England. Haven't been up here since last year. I tell you, this is nuts. We're gonna switch it around, man. I'm gonna switch it around. Just have everybody take a look what's going on up here. Like I said, I was gonna wear my crazy shades. My hair is gonna be a mess because it's hot, but there's a nice breeze coming off the water here. We're right, like I said, you can see we're right on the waterfront here. Here we've got everything and anything here. Just really cool. As you can see I got my Gotham police car up here. Brand new C8 Corvettes. Just freaking phenomenal. Very cool, very cool. So we're just gonna walk over here a little bit. I mean, look at this. This is a VIP row here, including the crane. Maybe I'll get up there later. I know how to operate one of those. I can find the key. No, just kidding, guys. Guys, how you doing? Hey. All right, what we got here? Look at this
delicious cold brew coffee.
Cold brew. We're gonna need that today because it is hot. It's damn hot.
Gotcha.
It is hot. And there's the guy. Oh my gosh, beats right other me. Woohoo! Oh, all right, Sam. This is Sam. He's the artist here. He's doing all this stuff. He draws these cars. Freaking amazing. He's up here chilling. Check it out. All right, brother. Yeah. Of course, here's the main thing going on there. Meet New England. Oh, they got a fan here. I'm gonna just stand here all day. I'm good. Now let's go over here. This is awesome. Very, very cool. I saw this coming in here. He was driving in like this. Nuts. Very cool. Meet New England. Stark Brewing Company, Manchester, New Hampshire. Come on down. I mean, it is crazy. A lot of fun, good time, good food, good people. So I'm here with, what's your name, man?
Bob.
Bob? Rich. All right, so they got some really cool cars down here. Chevy and a Ford. What do you got? What's the Chevy?
2021 Corvette, C8.
C8, and it's the
convertible top, sky gray interior.
Sky gray interior. Wing is factory?
It was an option.
An option, okay.
Yeah, all the carbon fiber, it was all options.
All options. Very cool, man. Has it hit the break-in period?
Yes, it is. Finally over that.
So how fun is this thing?
It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. It takes right off mid-engine, so you really feel it. 2.8 seconds, 0 to 60.
Yeah, this thing I love. When these came out, I love these. It is a beautiful car. And the color, what is this?
Sebring orange.
Sebring orange.
And they just stopped making it, so the 2022s that are going to be coming out won't have that. They'll be a different orange.
Oh man, and this sun is making this thing just beautiful. So now, not to be outdone, Mustang here. Well, actually, it's a Shelby. So what do we got here? What year?
2021.
2021.
500. Yeah.
Stock? Is it?
It's stock. The only thing I've done the intake. There's a JLT intake in it.
Okay.
Supposedly adds 30 horse. The only other thing I did is the rock blockers and the floor mats that the Shelby is on. Shelby snakes on all of them.
You don't have to do too much to a Shelby. They come pretty ready from the factory.
Yeah.
Beautiful color. What color is this?
They call that lucid red and pearl, I believe now.
Lucid red and pearl, man. That's awesome, guys. These under the sunlight, they're just popping. They look beautiful. Again, thank you. Appreciate it.
Guys, coming, man. There we go. That's what I
Nate, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
I saw this. This is like the Harley Quinn type of.
Child. They painted off, or took off each body panel, painted it. The headlights in the front was wrapped.
Okay.
70mm turbo. Got a Flying Miato turbo back exhaust. Mega Sport standalone ECU.
Uh huh.
A couple other things.
This thing must be a blast to drive.
Oh, it's so fun.
Awesome, brother. Thank you again. Appreciate it. Look at this thing. Holy crap, huh? Not bad, huh? Let's see. Wow, huh? Come back this way. Here we go. Boom. That way. That is. Amazing. Look at that. Oh, there we go. That's a cool shot. Boom. Look at that. Primary colors. We have literally hit the end of the show. This is the end of the road. And there's not much more you can go back. It ends right there. So I'm back here sharing some shade, and I ran across this car right here. Brother, what's your name?
Sean.
Sean. Where you from?
South Portland, Maine.
South Portland, Maine. What do you got here?
Lexus LS400 95. Bags.
Pretty cool. Engine-wise, anything going on underneath?
It's just port and polished intake. That's about it. It's straight pipe exhaust, stuff like that. Haven't really done a lot to the motor. Just want to keep it running that Japanese V8, you know.
Yeah. Exhaust, it looks like it's some
Straight pipe.
straight pipe.
Back, yeah.
That's awesome. I mean, you get some nice wheels. What you got on there?
It's wedge Bazuras, the 19x12s in the rear, 19x10s in the front.
Cool, man. Cool. And then interior, there's a lot of stuff going on in there. What do you got?
It's a all black leather swap. I bought another car, swapped out to black, and then I have basically VIP tables, junction produce curtains, the Fusa knots, just kind of everything VIP.
VIP, everything, yeah.
Diamond stitch floors, stuff like that.
Very cool, brother. Well, it takes some walking, because you can see all the way. We're all the way down at the end, but you always see something nice, even at the end of the show. So, brother, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
What's your name, brother?
Arvin McGowan.
Arvin, man.
Yes, sir.
You came up to meet New England here. What we got going on with this Dodge Challenger?
It's just a regular Dodge Challenger 2017 RT, man.
RT. What you got done to it?
We got the Foose rims. We got the Nittos. 275 to the rear, 245 to the front, sitting on springs.
Sitting on springs. Yeah, I saw this rolling in. It looked really cool. Anything under the hood?
Nothing different. Just 372 factory, all stock.
Very cool, man. I love it. You can't go wrong with a black Challenger, man.
Yes, sir.
It's very cool. Well. At the end of Meet New England, the season opener beats, and this is, he blew the place apart again. All the way down one end, other side this time. Not me, okay.
All of us.
I'm behind you guys too. We got cars coming even now, but man, were you expecting this?
Yes.
All right, man. I wanted to hear that. Thank you.
I
wanted to hear truth. There you go.
I think we did right about what I was expecting. It was a really hot day. I think if it wasn't quite as hot, we probably would have done even a little better. But we did right about what I expected. Yeah. We had an awesome day. It's a good way to start the year, and I think people got a good vibe for how we do things.
And yeah, everybody. I've been talking to a lot of people. They say exactly what we talked about a couple weeks ago. Laid back, family atmosphere.
Other than my potty mouth.
Yeah, potty mouth's okay a little bit. Everybody does, but
I don't have kids. It's hard.
but yeah, you invite kids down here.
Yes.
They've had a great time.
And now we have a Kids' Choice Award.
Right. So it's one hell of a show. So if you've never been, please come on up here and check it out. Manchester, New Hampshire.
Come check us out. I'm Eat Worth Driving.
Yeah, there you go, man. Thanks, Pete. Again, thank you.